Okay, you guys, welcome to this quick tutorial. So we are always just making up meals. Sometimes you just have to pull out what you got in the fridge and the freezer and just cook it up. So I'm starting off by cooking up some steak meat. Of course, you can use whatever steak you want. You can use chicken. But then we also have some Texas toast. So this one has cheese on it. Use the cheese. Now we're going to go in with some marinara sauce or spaghetti sauce, some red sauce. And we are going to top this with some cheese. Go ahead and top it with your steak. And top it with some more cheese, okay? We ain't had no bell peppers, but definitely add some bell peppers. But we made our own little steak pieces or whatever. Topped it with some more cheese, popped it in the oven, and this is how they turned out. So delicious, so good. Reminds me of a Philly cheesesteak. Peace.